Gotta zoom in on them hoes, boy. Look at them shrimp. Them good size right there. Look at this shrimp. Hey, I tell you what, I lose poles. You know, ladyfish get the best of me, but you know what? I'm finna these trout up today. I tell you what.
Trout want to start him up today.
Hey, they got mullet right there. Yeah. Got that salt water, you know, salt water soul. What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to another edition of Who's That Guy Fishing? It's me, your guy Brian, you know, losing rods and still catching fish. Captain Tamboo, we're finna go out here and see what we can do. Oh, he ain't gonna catch shit. Right. Shit. Y'all stay tuned, man. This is the stuff you don't see. Launching the boat. Damn, rigging it up. Maybe, I don't know. Just a clinch knot to a clinch knot right here. One clinch knot. 3, 4, 5. Through here, through here. This is the tricky part. We're doing the fluorocarbon. I'm gonna pull this in while pulling down. Cinch those 2 knots together. Right. You do some of these done stalls right here. These holes right here, they're expensive, but boy, they cut. I'm telling you what. There it is. Get yourself a little octopus hook for them shrimpies. Nothing? God, dog. We ready to roll, boy. Do a short maker. On that hermit crab that we had. I don't know what that is. No, it's a what is that? Oh, a trout? On a hermit crab, bro? Oh, that's a rat red. Chill. Well, let go of the freaking hook. Chill, Bubba. Gotcha. Gotcha. Bye bye. He's on a rock though. I think it's just sheep, but he's on a rock. He got my line on a rock. Yeah, he is. He is off.
That's a sheep.
Got him.
That was fighting.
Let me got him.
Yep.
Yep, let me get under here. Scoot, scoot. About time, boys. Sheep. Yee yee. Let me grab that net. This is a little rod. Thank you. Come on up, sucker. Come on up, sucker. Ah! Got him.
Even if I got to sit down.
That's a keeper. Keeper.
Oh, man.
Those are reds.
Wrapped my rod and hit his.
Those are reds. Those are bulls.
Damn.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's why I like this guy.
He gonna get spooled if you don't stop it.
Yeah, you gotta turn his head, man.
Nigga turned his head.
Yeah, now he's gonna hit your line.
You got these people trying to cross too.
Get over here, get on the other side and reel it in. You gotta fucking put some drag on it.
Nigga, there is drag on it.
That mullet, baby. Got me that slot red. Goddamn, got these giant poles. Oh, yeah, we on, baby. We on, baby. On live mullet, baby, on live mullet.
Turn the frown upside down, that's all you gotta do. Get your little mullet.
He got enough line on here, he can run all he wants. Look at that rod bow, baby. That rod bowed.
I was on the road, whipping all alone. I was looking high.
Yeah. Give up. He's an upper slot, bro. 27. 27. I got him. He's coming up now. He's chasing that mullet. You see that mullet? Live mullet, folks, off the bottom. Dang, he right there. Get over here, bro. Get out of the current. He upper slot. Nah, he upper slot, baby. He's 28, 27 and a half. 27 and a half right here, watch.
Hold on to that reel, baby.
He ain't no lady fish. He can't Jew me. I got that little hook. That's why I don't want to try to horse him. Oh, he's mine now. He mine now. Yeah, I got it. He mine now. Get your use. Yeah, he's upper slot. Get in that net, boy. That's how you do it, folks. 27 and a half. Hey, what's he called? Vatos Locos. He got the 3 spots. Look, I had him barely hooked in the corner, boy. Look at that little old hook right there, boy. Look at that. Bing, bing. That's how you do it, folks. Live mullet on the bottom. No crying no more. It's hot out here.
No crying, Brian.
No crying Brian. That's what they call me. Butterfingers fishing. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment. Hold on. All right, folks. Just caught this redfish on live mullet off the bottom. They call me No Crying Brian on Butterfinger Fishing. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, let's see. Oh, he's right at. Look, he's right under, boy.
Yeah, he is.
27 and a half, like I said, boy.
That's a tournament rod.
Yeah, he is right under. Man, yee yee. That's how you do it.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of unknown.
Got him. Yes, sir. That's my trout. That's my trout. Got him. Yeah, that's my trout. I'm gonna bring him back this way. Get the net, get the net, get the net. Hey, Mike, come that way, Mikey. Yeah, I got you.
Brian has a good fish. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a nice one, bro.
Hell yeah. Thank you, Mikey. Thank you, I got it. Go ahead. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Okay. You boys out here. Yeah. Dropping rods and catching fish, you hear me? You boys out here losing rods and catching, oh shit, catching fish. Yes, sir. 27 inches. Damn. 23 inches. Damn, why you hating on my fish? He's 20, bro.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, bet.
Hell nah.
Bet, come in. What's that say right there, boy? Well, guys, it's been quite a long and eventful day. Found some trout, found some reds, found a sheephead. It's down there somewhere. Oh, there it is. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Free line shrimp, couple split shots, working it off the bottom, catching mullet with cast net. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, like I said, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Shout out to my homies. It's hot out here, folks. I'm gonna go home, chill.